Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace announced on July 29, 2025, that it has entered a long-term strategic collaboration with Advanced Protection Systems, APS, of Poland to create cutting-edge counter-drone solutions. The initiative is designed to bolster defenses against the rising threat of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, with an initial emphasis on safeguarding critical infrastructure and military assets in Norway and Poland. The agreement leverages both companies' specialized expertise. Kongsberg brings decades of experience in high-end air defense integration, while APS contributes its advanced FIELD-CTRL radar technology and the proven SKYCTRL platform already fielded in operational scenarios. This partnership will focus on delivering modular, scalable, and highly interoperable counter-UAV systems capable of handling evolving drone warfare tactics. Key areas of development include radar systems, sensor fusion, secure command networks, and both electronic and kinetic countermeasures. APS's SKYCTRL system serves as the foundation of this collaboration. Built for layered defense, it combines FIELD-CTRL 3D MIMO radars with electro-optical, infrared, acoustic, and RF sensors, all linked via the SkyView C2 battle management system. The radar employs cutting-edge AESA/MIMO arrays and advanced tracking algorithms to spot and identify hostile UAVs at significant distances, while additional sensors boost detection reliability and reduce false positives. Neutralization options within SKYCTRL range from sophisticated RF jamming over 20 frequency bands to physical interceptors, including net launchers, automated cannons, and directed energy devices. In late 2024, APS unveiled a novel interceptor drone capable of autonomous mid-air collisions to disable enemy UAVs without explosives, further enhancing the toolkit available to operators. The urgency behind such developments is underscored by lessons learned from modern conflict zones, particularly Ukraine, where swarms of low-cost drones have repeatedly breached armored formations and exposed critical vulnerabilities in conventional military systems. Counter-drone solutions are rapidly becoming a cornerstone of modern battlefield defense strategies. This Norway-Poland alliance is strategically significant, particularly in light of NATO's heightened focus on protecting its eastern flank amid rising regional tensions. By pooling resources and technological know-how, both nations aim to accelerate the deployment of adaptable, multi-layered C-UAS systems, positioning Poland as a leading hub for drone defense innovation within Europe's future security framework.